Okay, so we're on Midland 4001 and 1982 Precision Series Maxon made, and we're going to run with the standard replacement mic, but this particular radio has got the factory original mic, which we'll go through to the base station with later on. We'll take it off that channel, racket channel. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Roger. Sounds like we've got awful SSB interference, which of course shouldn't be here.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Roger on that. Can you knock it up to 32?
Yeah, roger.
Roger on 32.
Roger that.
That's a bit better. Right, off we go.
Roger. In-house and recording.
Roger on that, and we've got a bit of a tone control on this one.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. We're now passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which isn't in use.
Roger on that.
Past the end of the lane, I don't think it said, did I?
No negative, never mind. How many miles you got on that car?
25.
What's on?
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger. Are you going anywhere else except this test over?
Yes, I'm going out to a shop.
Roger.
Alright, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Alright, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, are you going through Ancaster Crossroads?
Roger. Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the
I'm on the Midland 4000 watt precision series set made by Microsoft in 1982. Using full force outputs, and I'm on a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Come on, this Midland 4001 from 1982 using the Maxon chassis, using a standard replacement mic. The radio is doing a full force output. I'm drawing 1.009 amps, so very, very economic. We're going to go, no, we can't go to low power because we don't have low power. So that's it, over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
You go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
we're square wheeled at the level crossing.
Oh, Roger, you better tell me what kind of train it is.
Roger. Train's usually a red one, but it's blue today. It just so happens today we've got a passenger train going the other way. Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Over Rossby level crossing. Have you got the petrol price for me today and other lights causing interference?
Yep, it's 159.9, 179.7. You were very clear again, so whoever's usually lit isn't.
Roger on that. Well, thanks a lot. It works the street.
Roger that, 10-10.
Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today and are the lights causing interference? Over.
Yep, 159.9, 179.7. You were very clear again, so whoever's usually lit isn't.
Roger on that. Alright, well thank you for that. It worked a treat.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. Well, it was lovely. We'll go over to our base station. I'll just pop that back on 31 and we'll see what it sounds like into our Midland 76900, which, unlike this precision set being Maxon built in Korea, the others Cybernet built in Japan.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 4001 precision series radio into our Midland 76900 base station. These don't have low power, so testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on a standard replacement mic. We're going to swap over to the factory original mic. And testing on the factory original mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. I think we've got about